Welcome to Haitian Creole Vocabulary, Lesson 5, numbers 11 to 20. 11, 11. 12, 12. 13, 13. 14, 14. 15, 15. 16, 16. 17, 17. 18, 18. 19, 19. 20, 20. Now that you know the numbers from 1 to 20 in Haitian Creole, visit our website for more.